Dhritarashtra and the war. Every day, the battle brought violent death to warriors. Many heroic deeds were performed on both sides, and many worthy men died. Many of the sons of Dhritarashtra were killed every day. Dhritarashtra had asked Sanjay to narrate the daily action of battle to him, and Sanjay told him all the details. Dhritarashtra complained that Sanjay only gave him bad news. There was nothing to show that the Kauravas were going to win the war. He grieved over the death of his sons. Sanjay told him that he was himself responsible for the terrible war because of his weakness and his folly. How could Sanjay create good news when none was there? He told Dhritarashtra that the Pandavas were fighting for justice. The elders had advised and warned Dhritarashtra and his sons time and again. What was the use of the mourning now, when Vidura's words were coming true? The price of war. As the war went on day after day, many warriors were killed, including the 10 sons of Satyaki. Virata's third son, Sanga, died. Duryodhana was injured by Bhima, but rescued on time by Kripacharya. Many more of Duryodhana's brothers were killed by Bhima. Whenever possible, Drona and Drishtadyumna met in combat. Bhishma, Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Abhimanyu, Ghatotkach and others were visible in battle all through the day. Iravan, Arjuna's son, by his Naga wife, was killed. Bhishma told Duryodhana that he could not kill Shikandin, who had originally been born as Drupada's daughter. Duryodhana asked Dushasana to keep Shikandin away from Bhishma because of Shikandin's vow to kill Bhishma. Sometimes a brave warrior of one side and sometimes of the other was triumphant. Sometimes they were killed. Teacher and pupil, uncle and nephew, sons and fathers, cousins were battling one another. It was a time of great upheaval and misery. Bhishma's fall. Shikandin's vow had to be fulfilled. Arjuna had decided to kill Bhishma, so keeping Shikandin in front of him, on the 10th day, Arjuna attacked Bhishma. Covered with arrows from the bows of Shikandin and Arjuna, Bhishma knew his end was near. As Bhishma fell, the arrows supported his body, preventing him from falling to the ground. He asked Arjuna to provide a support for his head. The grieving Arjuna shot 3 arrows that formed a pillow for his grandsire. Bhishma could choose the time of his death, so he decided to wait for the right time before dying. He was thirsty and once again asked Arjuna to give him water. Arjuna shot an arrow into the ground, and the mighty Ganga, Bhishma's mother, came up to give him a drink of her fresh, pure waters. Even as he lay dying, Bhishma advised Duryodhana to make peace with the Pandavas. Forgiveness for Karna. As Bhishma lay dying, Karna came to him to seek his forgiveness and blessings, bowing before him as Radha's son. Bhishma revealed that he knew Karna was Surya's and Kunti's son. He had been told by sage Narada. He had wanted Karna to be friends with the Pandavas on his own, but he had no anger or enmity towards him, said Bhishma. Karna explained that he could not betray Duryodhana at this stage, and so he must pay with his life for the wrong decisions he had made. He knew that the defeat of the Kaurava army was certain if Krishna and Arjuna could defeat Bhishma. Bhishma respected Karna's valor and inner goodness. He forgave him and gave him his blessings. Karna now went to participate in the war, joining the Kaurava army after Bhishma's exit as he had vowed.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.